Welcome, here I've got Listo SP50 and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera grid lines at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Here we have to pick this button above the shutter so we get access to more modes of this camera, and also the left side button, so let's pick it to open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down and find the composition line option. When we tap here, we get access to a few kind of grid lines. Let's start with standard grid. And when we go back to the camera now in the preview, we have these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. Another tap to this button above the shutter, then to the left one, to the composition line, and let's go to golden section. Now in the preview we can see this kind of spiral, so these lines are also useful when we want to making experiments with our composition at the picture. Another tap here and to the left to the composition, so let's move to reticle now. And now we can see this kind of grid lines, and let me show you the last one here, the box. So this is how it looks like, and of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to this button above the shutter, then to the left one, tap to the composition line and pick whatever we need or just close them. So for now, in the preview, the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.